Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make salsa with ketchup using an easy method. First, you'll need to gather your core ingredients. Start with 1 cup of your favorite ketchup as the foundation for this quick salsa. Next, finely chop about 1/2 of a medium-sized onion. Then, dice 2 small, ripe tomatoes to add a burst of fresh flavor and texture. Finally, mince 1 clove of garlic to infuse your salsa with a wonderful aromatic depth. This simple combination forms the perfect base. Now, let's enhance those flavors and add a little kick. Pour in 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. This brightens the salsa and adds a tangy note. Next, stir in 1 teaspoon of chili powder for a mild, smoky warmth. For an authentic touch, add 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin. Finally, season your mixture with salt and pepper to taste, adjusting until it's just right for your palate. These additions truly elevate the ketchup base. With all your ingredients prepped, it's time to bring everything together. Carefully combine the ketchup, chopped onion, diced tomatoes, minced garlic, apple cider vinegar, chili powder, cumin, salt, and pepper in a medium-sized mixing bowl. Stir everything thoroughly until all the ingredients are well blended and evenly distributed. Once mixed, cover the bowl tightly with plastic wrap. Refrigerate your salsa for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Your delicious homemade ketchup salsa is now ready to enjoy. Serve it chilled with your favorite tortilla chips for a quick and satisfying snack. It also makes a fantastic topping for tacos, scrambled eggs, or grilled chicken, adding a zesty twist to any meal. Remember to check the description for a link to those amazing leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals. Store any leftover salsa in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days to maintain its freshness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.